Here we go. Let's check this one out. Great year, great body style and model. 1970 Chevelle SS two-door hardtop or sport coupe. Yes, this is a true SS. Build sheet, first of all, can be seen in the still pictures. So I got a copy of the build sheet in there. In the still pictures, you're also going to see the stamping on the engine block of this car. This is a numbers matching 396 big block underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Let's take a look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Looks good up front. As far as the tranny, in the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the tranny tag. I can tell you this is an era correct tranny. I'm going to do a little bit more dig and see if I can find the stamping on that. But we do have 100% sure a Chevelle SS 1970 original 396 engine, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC compressor still kicks on and off. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay. Take a close up of the wheels. Kind of that era of the 5-spoke chrome. Something you'd see back on this car in the day quite often. 507-386-1726, number to call, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us. As far as the paint, this is an original forest green car, paint code 48. The paint does show its age in some areas. There can be a little kind of imperfections in the clear. There's a little bit of staining over here, but I don't care what you say. It's a 1970 Chevelle True SS, original numbers car. Interior redone to this black vinyl. So that is in very nice shape. Still pictures, you'll be able to see the carpeting in the car too underneath the floor mats. You'll be able to see a bunch of pictures of that interior. Take your time looking through them. I also want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few little touch-ups over on the door, but as you can see, as I was going up and down that side, nice and straight panels. Take a look at the trunk pictures. Full-size spares back there. Trunk is also in very nice shape. Take a look at the undersides. uniqueclassiccars.com. I also tell people if you're into muscle cars, maybe square body trucks, late model horsepower, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. There are videos uploaded daily on it of vehicles that are available to purchase, and maybe just like checking out the cars. So feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Little spot up here. Kind of see maybe a little bit of checking. Sometimes it's tough for me to get that to show up in the camera, but just want you to know, paint's not perfect. Does it still have a nice shine? Be proud to drive this car anywhere. Absolutely. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. It's going to turn some heads, no doubt about that. Open door policy for third-party inspectors too. Maybe you can't make it to look at this car due to time or distance. Not a problem. We have an open door policy for those guys. All right. That's kind of a look down the driver's side there. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. And we'll start it up, let you hear it run. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to drive this car, take it out, take it down the road. We'll take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Let you see how it drives out. SS door panels, correct. Again, bench seat. Black vinyl has been redone since this car was new. I'm going to have a little trivia for the Chevelle experts out there. A lot of people are going to say, there's no tack up there. Yes, this is a 396. What gauge cluster came standard in a non-SS Chevelle, and how many gauge clusters or dashes could you get in an SS Chevelle? Go ahead and put that down below in the comments. Let's see what we come up with. I have had the wipers working. We do have a retro sound style radio. That is working. Like I said, the compressor for AC does kick on. Actually blows cool. I don't know how I'd say cold. So may need a little bit of TLC, but it is all intact in there. And like I said, the compressor kicks on and off. Top of the dash looks good. We'll look under the hood in just a bit. Headliner looks good. Those 6x9s in the back deck. Door closes nicely. Another thing that's cool about this car, it's not over the top on exhaust. It just, little rumble to it, sounds good, but nothing big cam, wild exhaust, obnoxious, nothing like that. It has to be a fun car to own and drive. All right, I'm gonna pause this 1 second. It'll take me a couple hands to get this hood open. A couple spots you can see here that have been touched up. Car you don't have to be afraid to drive. Get in it and go, have some fun. Let me get the hood pop. Let's check out this power plant. There we go, underside of the hood. Looks great. Now, how about that engine bay? There it is, original numbers matching, 396, 350 horsepower. Check out the stamping on the engine. You're gonna see the VIN stamp on there. You'll see the suffix code. And it all drives. And don't forget, copy of the build sheet on this car, True SS. Here you can see AC components all intact, still running R12 that has not been switched from the 134A. Otherwise, pretty stock looking engine bay. Looks like we have a newer brake booster. Battery shut off here. Oh, master cylinder anyway. Master cylinder, brake booster. Both looking good. The original AC compressor. Alternator looks a little newer also, as you can see. So some maintenance done in this car. Some upkeep. Runs smooth, sounds good. 1970 Chevelle SS 2-door hardtop. Real deal. Copy of the build sheet. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle with cowl induction hood. This is an automatic on the column. Our windshield wipers are working. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. Very smooth, very nice running car. Strong throttle response from this Chevelle. As you can see, our steering wheel is clocked a little bit to the left. That does not affect performance at all. Had the blower motor running, the heat does work. Very stock appearing car to me. The retro sound style radio slightly, noticeable, but they do a great job of making that fit in with the aesthetic of 1970. This car sounds very stock. Handles the road like a stock 1970 Chevelle should. Smooth ride. Good condition interior and seats. Brakes are working really well. Another one of those American icons, the 1970 Chevelle. First things you think of with muscle cars from GM, Chevelle is high on that list. doors opened up, transmission kicked down, and I felt the power. This car is a fun to drive car. Nice road manners. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Just a very well done, well maintained car. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Chevelle at uniqueclassiccars.com.